Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to create or make gallery images to PDF on your Android. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to create images to PDF in your Android, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to download one application. Just open the Play Store and type here image to PDF. You can see here image to PDF converter. Scroll down a little bit. You can see here image to PDF maker. Just download this one and tap on install. Just tap on open. You can see here plus mark. Just tap on this plus mark. If you see any ad, just tap on this cross button. Just cancel it. Just allow the permission. And select the image. You can see in the PDF the first image will be this one, and the second image will be this one, and the third image will be this one, and the fourth image it will be in serial wise. Just tap on import. If you want to crop the image, just tap on this second option in upper line. Just tap on this. You can crop the extra image. If you want to rotate this angle of this image, just tap on left or right in the left side bottom and tap on next. Tap on done. If you want to arrange the image, just select and you can drag it. Like this you can arrange image in the serial wise. After that, just tap on convert to PDF. Here you can rename whatever you want. And don't make any changes below. Just tap on convert. If you want to view your PDF, just tap on view. You can see all the images has been converted to PDF. That's it guys. So in this way you can create gallery images to PDF. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.